Welcome to Jamaica Good Life Season 1. The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube. Guys do a little marijuana cultivation.
You have to preserve the plants, you know? The plants are everything important, you know? So I think when I see a herb plant now, you know, under this stress, you have to release him up and make him, you know?
You got the rum?
One thing I'm going to ask you the roots, man. Why the best time to pull up? Because them asleep. In a day? Yeah. In a day. So when they wake up,
Bring the black bag for me, please.
Yeah, I have to. Go for replant.
Bring the rum, alright?
Well, it's a black bag.
Where your cup?
Pokey! Oh, let me know who that. Over here there. Over here there. I don't understand you.
I understand you.
I don't understand you, Pokey.
I understand you.
Gone where?
I don't understand
And tell us how we
you.
got.
Them better not show them belly, you know.
Pokey.
Them better not show them belly. Them better not show them belly. It's who bring the rum? Who bring the juice? Who a roast breadfruit? Who a eat food? Who a show them belly? Who a look rude? Where is it? Who a show them belly? Who a show them belly? Who a show them belly? Roast breadfruit. Who a cook food? Smell good, Pokey. So we bring rum for you. Well, you think we gone? You think we're gone back on the grill? Not gone back on Mandeville? No, how are we gonna left without come see you? Well, go on, King.
Very good. Pokey.
So
Take a look at the breakfast, eh? So we just eat. You just have it? Hey, Camila, this morning.
You know, yeah, this morning.
Yeah, this morning.
you know, some of them tend, some of them want to cramp your style, you see me?
No, when I talk.
Oh, no, go be it, no fine, it's Pokey there. Always smile, but wait there. Pokey get new share.
I get some and I do
Get
good
share
life.
for me. Somebody ever go pass me the rum now? And the juice.
Oh,
Whoa!
man, like for rum. So what about
Come sit down beside me so may you take a selfie. Super selfie.
So what about that?
Go wash off and go sit down with me and take a selfie.
You thought that you see what
Me say go sit down right here, so. And you know, say, I want to go Mandeville with you now, when you come. Why you not come with me today?
No.
By the 21st, I have some money for you.
Me not come on Monday for the weekend.
And basically, so what you want to do in your life, Pokey? You want to get the shop still? What is it you want to accomplish? And what does
the shop, the shop, they can't get in it.
You can't? No, there's no such thing as can't. Tell the fans what you want to do.
Where me want the shop, no space is not there for me. You understand, fans?
So are the fans helping you, or they're not doing enough? What can we do more?
Well, I don't really say I'm doing enough, you know, but at the time where me want the shop be already occupied. In the town, but the town already occupied.
It's filling up.
Right, so the little what did you know? Make you pay for them rent, master.
What's the rent?
Like 150,000 a month.
That's 1,500.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
What you see? Shoot in the good.
That's weird. What's going on?
Sitting with blue. Black song. You see?
Okay. You don't like that? You can't go on the grill.
They get one part, baby. Rice and tin mackerel there. None English, Jamaica, none there.
Alright, something mackerel I give a feed. May I see the bread? What do you mean if I pay for the fish them? May I give you I owe you.
You owe me?
I owe you. Warm up the fish them. I get money to pay for your fish them today. You hear me say?
At $3,000 worth of fish we buy.
How much you sell?
5-4, not even one.
Not even one sell?
No, because they don't use to with fish. But you then they come and ask me for him. I the first I
So
go
how
there.
much you have left?
Everything just like how you come in.
How much? You got 3 fish left?
Because them still good, nothing don't wrong with them.
Then heat them up for we. We will give you $2,000.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
you're gonna eat them.
Okay. Me.
Go in and look on the French shop and see.
We're going to eat breadfruit with it. Fish and breadfruit for lunch. You have no sour orange? Well, boy, Pokey, have to start Pokey hard. Me see a picture of your Pokey. Me see your picture. Me see the I love you with the your thing.
See fish there.
Your fish there? Yes, sir. We'll go buy your fish.
Let's see what the fish for me bed.
Mm-hmm. I only 2 fish night.
One fish there?
No. One.
No, but you have to just know anything, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Pokey, I push wood in the fire, man. I them something, the food nice in a Pokey. You know that though? The same wood fire. I like wood that. Hard wood. Real tough wood. Then it's smoke no trouble more time.
Any big pop me put on it with 150, 100 pound of pot.
Eh?
We'll fire that in the face.
You work hard, Pokey, man.
Work hard.
Work hard.
Work for what you want in your life.
And you know, sit down, you know. And you know, lazy. Hey, you have to respect that boy, you know, Pokey, car. Watch out. So, Pokey, how long now you do this?
Only per year, yo.
I look like you love it too, you know, Pokey.
Them make me more money. I have a big young boy, no money.
No, we're not talking about money now, Pokey.
Mother. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, make me one money, my friend. No.
Not true.
Tired of the heat, yeah?
But you have to nice struggle.
Struggling is a must.
It's a must. You know? Hot, you have to say you look hot, Pokey. Sun hot. The sun turn up.
Why you?
The sun turn up.
You better go bigger than the one to be cool long and go bigger. The bag they look tea fish. The bag they look tea fish. Randy now! See fish there.
The fish ready?
Look how long. Where you going to eat?
We're going to see fish.
Fried fish, no heat up, bro.
Breadfruit.
Any breadfruit. Call me something. Where's kitchen?
This trip here was mash up. We'll come back, you know, when we come back. I don't know if we'll come back neither. This trip was mash up, but look up, you can cut it. You see that woman right there, so? You see the thing, you think that? You see that? A day now.
And 12 a week, so you know, so when weekend catch me double.
You see that? It's not a joke thing, you know. It's not a joke thing, that's why I'm not wasting my time, you know. That's why I tell say I eat our fish, you know, I eat our chicken and I eat our thing, make sure she get you know. So, you see what I'm saying? Right now, see her there. I work hard, 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. So one of them, want to step up the thing and make sure we get the shop. I don't want to talk about them like show. When I go and rent, I don't go cost no bad road. When I go and start pay for this show. Because when I sit down and look for an entertainer like POKEY and look for my big head and I talk about RONDIE, I'm happy, you see. Them see me in a POKEY and talk about say, oh, we happy if you see, you know, 2 hours to make we laugh, we're so happy, we watching every night. So I say to them POKEY, when I go and rent this, only the people donate I go get my show, you know. So you see when sit down with
Let them go and watch the show, man.
Let them go and watch it?
Yeah, man.
Let them go and watch it?
Yeah,
What you say? You're big for them?
Yeah.
Come ready to tie up the thing, you know?
No, I'm not tired up, but you can.
Not tie it up, cause you hear POKEY are safe, you know?
That's say when they were saying,
Who that?
I mean, if you said a pork pig and chicken,
I eat that, man.
you need a back home.
Which man there?
You don't tell them on the phone.
Yeah, man, you can't follow them people, you have to keep doing what you're doing, you know? Don't follow nobody, you know? You see, if on the Western Union, them deal with, don't deal with them, you know? Me never deal with thank you and thank you cards and Walgreen, you know?
So you go. I put them along the way.
Let me show you something. This is how working so hard. What are you trying to achieve?
My children, them I want to give them proper education.
So you want them to go to school?
Yeah, go to college.
So how can we create a fundraising for you? Do we create a GoFundMe and just how much you want to raise? 20,000 US, 10,000 US?
No.
How much you want to raise?
Anything me get me take.
No, you have to set a goal in life.
You can't set a goal and me not see it.
Oh Lord.
You brother, can't dip in a nobody's pocket. Whosoever send, I saw you go. And you put it down and tie you up and make you work.
Did you put down the money where them send you?
Of course.
Yeah, you give thanks to them. Which one of them you really love the most? The man of England? Him take care of you good?
Yes.
Him call you often?
And me always go fix my son hand. Me get this on my son.
So your son hand was broken and then you had to break it again and fix it. And the man of England take care of that. So
we got the man in England.
You call him yesterday, man. You call him.
hey, Moy, you big up Mr. Cooper.
Hi, Mr. Cooper. This is Cooper.
Moy, you big up Cynthia.
Hi, Cynthia.
Moy, you big up all the fans them and tell them say, well, you know, God is good and everything will work out. You know, I wish me down here more. I wish me have a place down here for stay. You know what I'm saying? For build for real around your back so. I hear your dirty cussing every day. I hear argument. You know how much time you have to edit bad out of your mouth? I may make you look pretty, you know. I may make you look good. You know me have to edit you. You much bad word you cuss on video and Christian look for you. POKEY don't curse. The Christian don't watch your show now. I said, wow, POKEY don't curse. And RONDIE I back you up, means your angel. Not only means your pushcat angel, me your bad board erase it. Me erase everything dip on my laptop. Me are your bad word. Clear up angel. So the way them I look for you, I said, POKEY is so nice. She no curse. And the Christian them I watch it on TV, you know, and then love you, you know. It's like POKEY doesn't curse. She must be a church-going person.
Used to.
Me know, but you cuss bad word like sailor.
Yeah, better.
You know somebody have to edit the video that will take me 2 months just to listen to him. Cause when I listen to it one time, oh another one slipping. Another one slipping. Somebody there clean him up. For present him to the world. For the world help him. And I sit down on my back 16 hours a day. I clean him up and present to the world. I shouldn't know my work for you. And you have two little fish that about me for pay for fish. Yeah. After I work for him 16 hours a day. Yeah. And Randy, you say, Randy, we have some golden fish for you when you come. No, them not give me nothing. Them dash chicken. Yeah. Me come at me hand, you know what I'm saying? Me? Him dash a fish in my hand. I say, Pokey, yeah. Pokey, you can't put the fish now and plate for me. Me. The one who come change your cat with you.
What about your business? Your time is a couple.
Them. Me say, people, I will never come back here again. Me should I come back here?
Yeah, man. Have you come back? Have you come back? Yeah, man. Can't left out Pokey.
Pokey dash a fish in my hand. Me not even wash my hand.
Yeah, you have to be a soldier. If you're not a soldier, a loyal soldier, a good soldier, yeah. Just say a prayer, brother. You're good. Right, Pokey now do nothing but sell Pokey, sell food for your living. You know?
And where you come from?
No, all the fried chicken that's what they do. Ah, baby. Hard.
I saw good people stay.
I want that as well. That's because you can know what you know what we know,
The same
right,
one? The same one there? Orange juice, should I?
That's why I'm not going to catch up.
And we don't catch up this year. She live alone?
Yeah, go to.
Me now go in and I come back.
Yeah, go to.
Because we have to return the car what we have. And him have to go home. You see me? Can't smoke or blunt. Right? And then she start laugh. And then me sit down and me look at him and I say, look at you, you're pretty, you know. But only if you just fix your stupid hair.
What do you mean?
And me have to do a give my joke, you know, and him bust. And me do give Pokey joke every day now. Because Pokey is a consumer of jokes. That's how Pokey shine. Give my joke, him bust out. So when me there on Pokey, me constantly I hit him with jokes. So when people see me and him there, him care.
Yeah, then they ask me if he carry this man, me touch the road.
Yes! And when Pokey...
Mama!
You see? Let me tell you something. The reason why Pokey bigger than everybody else in the world and people love him is because he like to laugh. All I have to tell Pokey say he look like Duppy. And then him come back and say, what do you mean me look like Duppy? He say, you're black. I can't even see you sometimes.
I'm gonna bother me.
Pokey, say level for the camera. The
You know,
I know mix up, me can't manage it.
Pokey are one of the most amazing Jamaican I've ever met because she original, you know, and I'm mixing him. Him original is a real powerful, one of the most powerful woman on earth. Spiritually, physically she's strong, mentally. Hello world, this is Pokey and Randy. Pokey, how you doing today?
Okay.
You miss you rather big spliff. Oh, your spliff them so big.
You know, I don't burn them ziggy. I don't burn ziggy. I can't bother with the ziggy. Ziggy make you ignorant. Ziggy make you turn.
This your spliff you bigger than your head?
Yeah, make your head so more.
So, is this what keeps you going?
Yeah.
And the JB rum? Me know say you work hard, you work 7 days a week, 12 hours a day.
A lot of things we do, Randy, everything can do one time.
Hear what I'm saying?
But
we have to get serious now. What is, you say you want a car, 2,000 US for the car, to finish up the car. Then you want to open up a restaurant. Why you don't tell the people say you want to raise 10,000 US dollars and we open up a GoFundMe for raise it for you?
Well, that sound good.
Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Is that what you want?
Yeah.
So you hear that, people? Pokey want 10,000 US. Is that what you want?
Yeah, man, that will help me.
That will help you?
Yeah.
And one of your son need $5,000 for go college? Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Good. So we want to raise $15,000 for you,
Yeah.
right? So if I open up a GoFundMe and the people them can start raising the money, will you be happy?
Yeah, of course I do.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, man.
Will you cut down on the rum?
Oh my God, it's a must.
Will you cut down on the weed?
Yes, man. I really
And then we're going to fix your teeth and raise the money. Let me tell you something. My goal in life is to see you. Man, when you dress up that day, I just see you. You know how a real queen look on a throne? You see what I done with you?
Yeah.
Jamaica go fall at your feet.
Yeah, man. Yes.
Because you are the queen of Jamaica.
Oh, man.
You ever see Pretty Woman? The movie?
Yes.
You ever see Pretty Woman?
Mm-hmm.
When the man take the woman out and him put on the dress and him Pokey a Pretty Woman, you know?
Worry yourself, man. It don't happen.
Me not worry myself.
It don't happen, man.
No, me not worry, me I tell you. Me I tell you what go happen.
It don't happen. Man.
You are the prettiest thing in the world.
Yeah.
I throw you down in there so I push Pokey out and I struggle on it.
Oh,
Them not see
yourself.
them not see the true
The
true queen.
This a cat.
The
I'm
queen
not
now got that
You're
straight.
mad.
You ever cut your face yet?
Yes, man. All the way. I'm not bother with the roach up again, Andy.
You know?
Hard work, you know.
No on a hard work time. You've worked hard enough. We're going to make the fans then raise the money to take it to the next level. The hard work, we have to work smarter now. The hard work thing now. How old are you now? You mind me
So
asking?
50.
You're 50?
So April 22.
50? April 22? Are your birthday? Then everybody have to send about $300 for your birthday.
Massa.
So, fans, I'm going to open a GoFundMe for Pokemon. Everybody will start. See April, you say?
22 April.
More, each and every one of you give Pokey $100 for your birthday. Can you do that? See for the money and starve little. Eat some sardine and some rice.
Jesus
and send this woman. Give up one day of shopping. The woman work hard, you know, too hard. Right about 50 years I push Pokey out. No. From him born no time, mother him I push Pokey out. And it's no shit. You see, me really know, me not no shame to my game. That's why you see me there with you. Because it's pure love. But here me I say, people, me a Jamaican, you not Jamaican, and I meet Pokey and the greatest thing about my life because the woman and man, I look on him too and I say, no, we have to go solve him to them or use some file paper. And
Oh my God!
It's up on his toe. And I say, no. Then me too, you too, you ancient.
Mama!
Well, me meet that someone. Me say, how many work so hard?
Ah, Jesus. I know say I sit this to me told them so Randy.
Well, I'm telling you,
You
well,
see him sitting when me sit down and sound bite me. I go a doctor and the treatment poison me. Me not show you my finger them man, see my finger them. See my finger them yam up. That's your man, I'm lucky man. You go on.
so here
How much
man
it
say-
cost me for better myself?
So more and the
Put
fans
that
them
down.
to send Pokey $100 to raise $15,000. And if we can do that for you, you can help with the kids' college fund. Deal with your car where you want. Cut back on the weed, the big head weed. Cut back on the JB rum. Get your hack together. File off your two of them. Step in your nice slippers.
Oh my God, I don't have no nice slippers.
You know you have everything nice. You tell them so I bring shoes for you. Where the sneakers there? How about that get up? Me bring our shoes. The fans them are. I truly know the world love you, but this has to work. Alright fans, and I drop me a my Qatar now because I love her. Only me can talk to him, so anybody else talk to me, look them with stone. Only Randy. You know, so Miss Olga with a trouble mother. Miss Olga 84 now. I said, no, it's from nobody, you know. I'm the only one to meet from. So me have a spirit of love where just pierce through people, you know what I say? So the day I meet him, man, I know say, yo,
Yeah.
we're
My head no rough though.
going to save you.
I'm create my head myself.
And tell them, so them people them go stick you up on you. Tell the
You
people
know,
them
so
say,
then gang me out the road.
Them stick a
Yeah, so
pokey
when we
with
go
gun
on
and
road, don't we get girl?
them stick a pokey with gun. I
Yeah.
wanna sit down there and me go to our number in our first season for really support her directly. I wanna sit down and watch show and laugh. I wanna go starve, eat sardine and skip one day a supermarket and send her the money. 1,000 I wanna sit down and laugh or we are push cat. This is not no cat pushing contest. This is helping a woman to be her best. It says one Jamaican woman who can put on the map and say, look how we work together to get Pokey out of the situation. But we make it laugh and funny because we don't beg no one. You see me? Because I know say you're very confident and you know the beggy thing. So this is my plea to the fans.
That is not my hobby.
I'm going to create a GoFundMe for him. I got up it to 20,000. You see me? Oh, your nose so pretty though. Where you get your nose from? Which one?
China nose.
Oh, China nose. Are your mother?
Maroon nose.
Are your mother you get the nose from?
My father. Father Malcolm. I'm relating to Malcolm.
You come from a line of royalty, you know that?
Two side of maroon.
Royalty, you know. You know, so I even think about sell piece of my retirement for kick you off. And I said, no, I don't know if Pokey worth it.
Master God. One of the front of the yard.
You're so nice.
Okay, I read this one.
You're the realest Jamaican of the world. The world love you, man. We love you.
Now one in a one shell by myself.
One in a one shell.
Yeah. One soldier shell by myself.
What may I tell you?
If every man will live like me, things are better in a jam down.
So why not run for some office?
No, can't manage it. Not for my style. I like work for people. People use when you work for them. And pay a little or nothing. Can't manage it. Nobody will work for you.
Me?
Yeah.
Why me?
Can you have to pay me? If you put in for me work, you have to pay me.
Are you because you know my heart good, you want to tramp upon me and come stick me up with ice pick?
No.
Randy, where my money there?
We're not hurting you.
Why?
We will take care of you. Joanne, when you finish with the breadfruit, let me know.
So people, you hear what I say? We have to get serious now and on have our number, but you know what I go see what we can do. I want the fan them for also guide the thing. I said, Randy, this is what we need to do. A woman did call me, said she want.
They sent prayer, they said everything with me when they hear about the gun. I tell me.
Them did hear about it?
Yeah, I tell you.
So good man stick you up. And you see when me hear about it, man.
Dead. So we left them to tire, so we don't want to them. I put the same one on their ears and bust it. God knows something, I'm not sure God put me on them things out there.
You know who you remind me of? Bob Marley. You see retired Marley, mother and you only come from the same line, you know.
So you go. You have to creep before you walk.
You've been creeping too damn long time to keep my
Well, I saw you go in the car.
No, that's how it go.
I come off already, no man. Me do gone back as a Randy. I want to your Randy, man. I set myself long time. Can't wash restaurant and bar, and I saw you come back in the dog.
A man push you back there, so.
My husband, me end up back here, so man, me in my left and then now I have to strive for myself. I dry everything out, my little saving in gone already.
And he died.
You see how something I want to fix up and sit now. I want to put things on my head. When I know I'm not grow up.
So let me ask you something. When do you take a break?
I go to your house.
And just relax.
Oh, me do that all the way. Just lie down in my bed and sleep. Pick me and cook care food for me. Get up bed, lay down back. I was there and up to this morning. I could have done cook and you come catch me on the road. When I go back in my bed, I wake up after 7 and I go to bed after 4. So I go back in my bed, go lie down and there, no water no in my bed. Yo, what
You know something, talk to a man where they want to bring a truck down To get your
The
food,
food truck,
Yeah.
that good.
You like that idea?
Yes, that is a good idea, may I tell you.
So can we just buy a food truck in Jamaica? Like a truck?
You have to go look for it. Look up for it.
I think a food truck would be better.
You ain't come Mr. Jackson, that you may park for it. And I can't drive.
So instead of get a car, we just get a food truck.
But I still want to look for it, I feel it along the line. Can't have my kids and my grandpa.